Hello and welcome to this video. This is the beginner tutorial how to make Excel. So if you want to make an outline on this outline here, if we take this, then we go up to this square, then we take this one and we click on this or this, and then we have this. Then we can take this one and we can change the thickness of them. So the never was not great that. So we take no, okay. So we take this one and we take this one and we take this. Okay, this was for to be. But now you see how you can do that, and thanks for me, and I hope you enjoy it. Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to color in this. So take this, and this is the easy way. Color in them, and then take yellow, and we take this, and we take light. So we take this, and we take red, and we take this, take there, and we take that. There you have it. As I can you write it like game. Okay, what I want. Game. So